The original portable blender is a game-changing portable blender designed to reinvent your routine and make healthy choices happen anywhere, no cord or outlet needed. This triumph of technology is USB-C rechargeable, and makes it easy to blend smoothies, protein shakes, margaritas and more, whether you're at home or on the go. The perfect size to place in a cup holder or toss in your bag, while still being big enough to serve up all your favorite blends. The carrying strap is perfect for when you're jetting around town, and cleanup is a breeze. Just add water, a drop of soap and blend. Rinse, and you're ready for your next blended creation. There's no limit to the number of delicious things you can whip up in. 6 stainless steel blades power through fruit and even ice. A built-in safety feature prevents the blades from spinning when the jar isn't connected to the base. This blender is constructed from BPA-free, food-safe materials.